This video will take you closer to your goal of making money in share market. Watch it now.
Good evening, friends. Today we will try to learn a little about one of the most important indicator which guides us about the market. I'm talking about India-Vix. India-Vix is a very important indicator of Indian market. It is known as volatility index or fear index, rightly so, because it is probably like a barometer of fear in the market. It is said that India-Vix is almost inversely proportionate to Nifty. That is, if India-Vix goes up, Nifty goes down, and vice versa. This is proved right when we refer to the comparison on historical chart. First thing is, most of us probably don't understand what is India-Vix. Almost all of us know that it is a volatility index, but most of us don't know much beyond that. By volatility index, we believe that if India VIX is up, Nifty should be down, and vice versa. Not necessarily so, my friends. We believe that the implied volatility of options is based on India VIX. That's our first mistake. It is in fact the other way around. India VIX is a derivatives derivative. India VIX is derived by a composite calculation taking almost all the near month and next month OTM option prices and their implied volatility into consideration. So, India VIX is based on the various option prices implied volatility and options order positions. India VIX is not based on the movement of Nifty, nor Nifty is based on the movement of India VIX. That is, any day, for example, if Nifty moves only in the range of 10 points and Nifty is not at all volatile, but if, say, the next day is a major event like an election result or RBI's monetary policy, that is RBI monetary policy commission's repo rate decision day or a budget day or some such major event, because of the expected event, options prices may be very costly due to very high implied volatility, and as such, India VIX may be very high in spite of very low volatility in Nifty. We need to keep in mind what is India VIX, where is India VIX, and always keep an eye on that. I hope this helps us a little. Use it well for our day trading. Thank you for watching. Take care. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Take care.